Welcome to Standard Auto Wrecker's inventory video, stock number HJB191. Today we have a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche with a 5.3-liter V8 engine. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this vehicle comes to us from a local auction following a front-end collision. There are plenty of great parts available, so let's continue the walk around to showcase everything this vehicle has to offer. Available at our Port Hope location, 260 Peter Street, Port Hope, Ontario. Or give us a call at 416-286-8686 and press 1 for parts sales. Standard Auto Wreckers, your local auto recycler.